Hey, this is JDNFIA. I'm going to show you how to do a minor 11 chord going to a major 7 sus2 chord. I'm going to show you an easy way to do it to where you can do it anytime you want to on the fly. All right, the chords that I'm talking about, the minor 11 chord, I'll do it off of C. All right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up a minor third and play a major chord. All right, so what I mean by that, minor third, if I play C in my left hand, I play the fifth, G, C and G in my left hand. A minor third up from C is going to be 1, 2, minor third, E flat. So I'm just going to play an E flat major chord. And I can play any inversion that I want to, all right? But the inversion that I prefer is a root position. So I'm playing a E flat major chord and I'm adding the 9 as well, all right? And by adding that 9, that gives us the 11th of C. So we have a C minor 11 chord. C, G, that's root and fifth. E is my minor third. F is my 11th. G is my fifth. B flat is my flat 7, dominant 7. All right. Now, an easier way to find this chord, if I'm treating it like a 3 chord, all right. So if I'm going to a C minor 11 chord, that means I'm in A flat because I'm going to play it as a 3 chord. So 1 A flat, 2 B flat minor, all right, and go to that C minor 11 on my 3 chord. All right. Now, an easier way to look at it is if I'm playing in the key of A flat, which is where the C minor 11th in this case comes from. All right. If I'm playing an A flat, all I'm going to do is play the 3 on my left hand, C and G, and then I'm going to play the 5 chord in A flat in my right hand, which is an E flat major. And remember, add the 9th. All right. Now, when you get ready to go to the 7 sus2 chord, major 7 sus2, we're going to do it on our 4 chord because you can play a major 7 chord on a 1 chord or a 4 chord. So when we go to the 4 chord, which is going to be D flat in the key of A flat, 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm going to play D flat and A flat in my left hand. And in my right hand, I'm simply going to play I'm going to look at D flat and we're going to play a 5th up from D flat, which is if I was playing in the key of D flat, what would be the 5th note in the D flat major scale, which is A flat. And it's ironically, I hate to say ironically, but it is the root, it is the key that I'm playing in, A flat. So I'm going to play a flat major chord on my right hand, but I'm going to play it first inversion. All right, like such. So I have an A flat major chord, which is the 5 of D flat, or it is the 1 of the key that I'm playing in, A flat. All right, I'm gonna play this inversion. You can play it any inversion, all right, you want to, but I prefer first inversion, C, E flat, and A flat. All right, and then that's gonna give me a D flat major 7 sus2. D flat, my 1, A flat is my 5, C is my major 7, E flat is my sus2 or my 9, and A flat up top is my 5th. So if I was to put that in a chord progression, I'll play 1 A flat major, 2 B flat minor, then play my C minor 11, and then go to my D flat major 7 sus2. All right, so take that to another key, take it to G. I have 1 to my 2, A minor. Probably play it like that. When I get to my 3, I'm going to play my B and F sharp, and I'm going to look at it 2 ways. I'm either going to go up a minor third from B, which is going to, minor third up is D, or since I'm playing in G, I'm going to ask myself, what's the 5 chord of G, which is D? So I'm going to play a G major chord, and I'm going to add the 9. All right, so I have B, F sharp, and then right hand I have D, E, F sharp, and A. Just D major chord, add the 9 over to B. All right, my 4 chord is C, so I'm going to go to C, and I'm going to do one or two things. I'm going to play the 5 chord of C, which is a G major chord, but I'm going to play it first inversion, B, D, and G, or I'm going to play just the one chord of the key that I'm playing in. All right. The reason why I like to think the 5 chord is because I may not always be playing it in this form to where I'm playing in the key of G. I may throw it other places. All right. So just run through a couple of keys real quick. C major. I got C major, my 1 chord, my 2 chord, E minor 11. I got E and B in my left hand, the 1 and 5 of E. And in my right hand, I'm playing a G major chord, add the 9. It's the 5 chord of C. Or it's a minor third up from E. And then go to my F major 7 sus2. All right, I got a C major chord. The 5 chord of F is C. I'm playing the first inversion, E, G, and C. Or I can just play in the root, the 1 chord of the key that I'm playing in, C. Sorry. All right, sounds a lot better down here to me. All right, a couple other keys. I won't talk about them, just kind of play through them. E flat, B flat over G. All right. E flat over A flat. B flat. All right, and then B flat over E flat. So essentially, you're just playing the root and the 5th, and then the 5 chord, a 5th up. When I say 5 chord, just talking about a 5th up. Oh, sorry. 5th up. All right. And you'll have your major 7 sus2 chord. All right, so one more, the B. All right, so we got 1, 2, E minor 11, E flat minor 11, sorry, to my E major 7 sus2. All right, so I hope that helped. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.